Hello students, welcome to Varma's Chemistry. In this video, I am going to give you simple and easy tricks to draw the structures of oxyacids of phosphorus. Watch this video till the end to get the amazing tricks. First of all, you can divide oxyacids of sulfur into two types, Us acids and Ic acids. In some of the oxyacids of sulfur, you can find the term Us, and in remaining acids, you can find the term Ic. In Ic acids, the valency of sulfur is 6. It means you can have 6 bonds on sulfur atom in Ic acids. And the valency of sulfur is 4 in Us acids. Means there are 4 bonds on sulfur atom in Us acids. Sulfur oxyacids are dibasic. That's why you will have 2 OH groups in the structure. And sulfur atom undergo sp3 hybridization in all oxyacids, so all of them will have tetrahedral shape. And most important thing is, in all oxyacids of sulfur, there will be at least one double bond oxygen on each sulfur atom. There are many oxyacids of sulfur which can be divided into sulfurous acid series, sulfuric acid series, thionic acid series and peroxy acid series. In sulfurous acid series, we have sulfurous acid whose formula is H2SO3, thiosulfurous acid formula is H2S2O2, hyposulfurous acid H2S2O4 and pyrosulfurous acid H2S2O5. All these acids comes under sulfurous acid series. In all these acids, valency of sulfur is 4. Sulfur atom will have only 4 bonds here. Let us see the structure of sulfurous acid. Formula is H2SO3. What is the valency of sulfur in Us acids? It is 4. So we will have 4 bonds. Out of them, 2 bonds are with OH groups because the basicity of all oxyacids of sulfur is equal to 2. And one double bond oxygen should be there. So let us draw the structure now. Sulfur atom to which at least one double bond oxygen should be there and 2 OH groups. So with this, already the valency of sulfur 4 is satisfied. But number of valence electrons in sulfur atom is equal to 6 because it is a 16th group element, sulfur. Its outermost configuration is Ns2Np4. So we should have 6 valence electrons. Out of 6 electrons, you got 4 bonds here, so remaining 2 electrons will be present as a lone pair. So there will be one lone pair on sulfur. This is about H2SO3. Now come to thiosulfurous acid. The meaning of the term thio is sulfur. So in thiosulfurous acid, sulfur atom replaces this oxygen atom present in sulfurous acid. In sulfurous acid, we have one double bond oxygen. That double bond oxygen is replaced by sulfur. Remaining structure is as usual. So sulfur atom to which double bond sulfur is bonded instead of oxygen. 2 OH groups are present as basicity is 2 and one lone pair is present. Hyposulfurous acid formula is H2S2O4. To get its structure, we need to take 2 molecules of sulfurous acid, remove one OH group from each sulfurous acid. This one from first sulfurous acid and this OH from another sulfurous acid are removed and join the 2 sulfur atoms. Then you will get the structure of hyposulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid formula H2S2O5, and to get its structure, once again we need to take 2 molecules of sulfurous acid and remove H2O from both the molecules. OH group from one acid and only hydrogen from one OH group of second acid should be removed. Then you will have one oxygen between 2 sulfur atoms. So this oxygen will be there between 2 sulfur atoms. So structure will be like this. So wherever you get pyro in oxyacids of sulfur, you will get oxygen atom between 2 central sulfur atoms. Now come to sulfuric acid series. which has sulfuric acid H2SO4, thiosulfuric acid H2S2O3, pyrosulfuric acid H2S2O7. Let us see the structure of sulfuric acid. Central sulfur, to which one double bond oxygen is bonded, and basicity of all oxyacids of sulfur is equal to 2. So we should take 2 OH groups bonded to sulfur. And in ic acids, valency of sulfur is 6. We should have 6 bonds. Here we got 4 bonds only. 2 bonds with 2 OH groups and a double bond with oxygen. So 2 more bonds should be there. And formula H2SO4, and in the structure till now you can see only 3 oxygens. So 4th oxygen should be there. That oxygen will be bonded to sulfur by means of double bond. So this is the structure of sulfuric acid. And come to thiosulfuric acid. Thio means sulfur, and one of the double bond oxygen in sulfuric acid should be replaced by sulfur. So central atom is sulfur, to which one double bond oxygen is bonded, 2 OH groups are bonded, and this double bond oxygen atom of sulfuric acid is replaced by sulfur, which can be called as thiosulfuric acid. To get the structure of pyrosulfuric acid, once again you can start from sulfuric acid molecules. Take 2 molecules of sulfuric acid and remove H2O from OH groups of the 2 acids. Then you will get one oxygen atom between 2 sulfur atoms. Then this will be the structure of pyrosulfuric acid. Next, come to thionic acid series, which has dithionic acid, formula is H2S2O6, and polythionic acid H2SN plus 2O6. Dithionic acid formula H2S2O6, which has one oxygen less than pyrosulfuric acid. To get the structure of dithionic acid, once again we need to start from sulfuric acid. You take 2 molecules of sulfuric acid and remove 1 OH group each from the 2 molecules. OH group from this acid and OH group from the next acid are removed and join these 2 sulfur atoms. Then you will get the structure of dithionic acid H2S2O6. Come to peroxy acids of sulfur. Peroxy monosulfuric acid H2SO5, called as Carros acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid H2S2O8, also called as Marshall acid. Let's see the structure of peroxy monosulfuric acid. Both the peroxy acids of sulfur can be considered as derivatives of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has 2 OH groups like this, bonded to each other by single bond. And if one hydrogen atom of this hydrogen peroxide is replaced by sulfonic group, SO3H group, you replace one hydrogen atom of hydrogen peroxide by SO3H group like this. This is the sulfonic acid group. SO3H group structure is this. One hydrogen atom of hydrogen peroxide should be replaced by this SO3H group to get peroxy monosulfuric acid. And the structure of disulfuric acid. In hydrogen peroxide, replace both the hydrogen atoms by sulfonic acid groups, by SO3H groups. Then this will be the structure of peroxy disulfuric acid, Marshall acid. Thank you for watching this video.